Thank you.
Welcome back! We are about to resume our journey, so please sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. Speaking of view, the view from the amphitheater is of Davao City, the Davao Gulf, and Samal Island, where our sister resorts, Ana Marina and the island Buenavista are located. Brochures for these resorts are available at the front office. You may also follow us on all our social media. We are passing through the Rainbow Pass, where each arc has flowers that correspond to a particular rainbow color. We also have a rainbow art installation, which is often used for prenuptial and wedding pictorials, and even during outdoor wedding ceremonies held in the amphitheater. We are now entering the forest area. Time for a brief lesson in geography. Eden is sitting on the lower slopes of Mount Talomo, which is part of the Apo Talomo mountain range. It stands at 8,873 feet or 2,674 meters above sea level. By comparison, Eden's highest point is approximately 3,000 feet or 914 meters above sea level. We are now going through the second phase of our mangosteen orchard. Here are some facts about mangosteen. Mangosteen, or Garcinia mangostana, is native to Southeast Asia. Since ancient times, it has been cultivated in Malaysia, Borneo, Sumatra, mainland Southeast Asia, and the Philippines. It is often used in traditional medicine. Mangosteen seedlings take between 8 to 15 years before they can bear fruit, but even trees as old as 100 years can still be productive. Now, for a brief history lesson. Eden used to be a logged-over area with most of its primary forest gone. It was only in the 1970s that development started. The owners carved terraces along the mountain slope. They also started planting thousands of pine seedlings as well as other trees and plants. These trees now make up the man-made forest that we are going. Speaking of pine trees, Eden has 3 varieties: Benguet, Caribbean, and Norfolk. The Benguet pine, also known as the Casa pine or 3-meter pine, is one of the most widely distributed pines in Asia. Its range extends south and east from the Khasi Hills of India, Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam, southern China, Myanmar, and the Philippines, where it gets its name from the province of Benguet. The Caribbean pine is native to Central America, Cuba, and the Bahamas. It is a fast-growing species. The Norfolk pine is endemic to Norfolk Island, an external Australian territory in the Pacific Ocean. not a true pine, as it belongs to the genus Araucaria and not genus Pinus.
Wala pa naman matuyo ko sa liyo. Tuyo ko niya po. Isang pa lang yung natin. Mahalo ko sa tumpay. Ang layan lang kami pag-abot dito, sinanin sila mabalik. Kita ang baktas.
Pinakadulo pa din.
Sir, naina na mong baktas, sir. Ano naman? Wala din na nainan nga. Isa lang ka-trip na
We are now at our second stopover, Kalimudan, Eden's tribute to the indigenous cultures of Mindanao. You will see here artistic interpretations of the traditional practices and worldviews of the Nilans, the indigenous peoples of Mindanao, from their architecture and farming, to their social and political structure, to their stories and mythologies. You may disembark and roam around for 5 minutes.
Okay, now kita.
Okay.
This is a forest area. Ano po?
Sunduga kung ang sa ilahang gibuhat, ma'am. Kaya ito, please, magbuba na namin ipulit. Ganang makakalang ninyo, mama. Ayaw kung kita niyo mo rin sa kambak.
Kailangan mo ka ko, mga friend din nyo.
Uy, kariyo, marites. Dili tapakan na. Kariyo, marites sa tidayin. Dili ka tidayin. Dili tapakan na.
Pwede pa kaya mga kanang lalaki o nag-mixon. Sure. Now.
Ay, nakapwesto na mo, ma'am.